Hi there, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if Vizio TV that wouldn't turn on and display a black screen. Let's dive in. Number first solution is to check the power indicator light. To do so, if the light turns from orange to white or fades off, indicate the TV is receiving power but may have a display issue. If the light remains orange or doesn't light up, may indicate a power supply problem. Number second solution is to perform a power cycle. To do so, unplug the TV power cord from the outlet, press and hold the power button on the TV for 15 seconds. Wait for 60 seconds, plug the TV back in and test. Number third solution is to verify cable connection. To do so, check that HDMI power and other cables are properly plugged in. Inspect cables for visible damage or wear. Try using different cables to rule out cable faults. Number 4 solution is to test for backlight failure. Shine a flashlight at the angle of TV screen in a dark room while it's on. Look closely for faint image. If faint image is visible, it indicates a backlight failure requiring professional repair. Number 5 solution is to disable mute screen feature. Press and hold the mute button on the remote for 5 seconds. This action should deactivate the mute screen failure and restore the display. Number 6 solution is to turn off the sleep timer. Press menu on the remote, navigate to setting, timers. Ensure the sleep timer is set to off. Number 7 solution is to perform a factory reset. To do so with the remote, press menu, then system, then reset and admin, then reset TV to factory defaults. Enter the lock code. The default code is Tetra 0. Without remote, hold volume down and input buttons for 15 seconds. Follow on-screen prompts. If none of the above solutions work, you need to contact the support. Visit Vizio Support. Provide detail about the issue and troubleshooting steps you have tried. Request assistance for repair or advanced diagnostics. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.